this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our Dodge Challenger. Goes down the road really nice. There's new motor in it, free seats on it, new carb. See, it's got good oil pressure. Temp just starting to come up. Speedometer works. We're going like 55, 60. So good driver quality car. Like I said, mechanically the headlights work, the doors work. That's always a big deal in these. This is an air car. You could put it back to air. It's missing compressor and lines and condenser, but you could get that and put it all back together. Definitely a good driving car, that's for sure. Sounds good. We'll go up to the corner here and show you the brakes, and then I'll turn around and take off and go through the gears. Chargers are good investments right now. They're still affordable. You know, the 68 to 70 chargers or 69 to 70 chargers have gotten really expensive. So these are next body style and nice and affordable. Brakes work good. See, there's some receipts for some brake work on it.